Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're doing a model preview tour of the Cypress floor plan, also known as the Isabella in many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. The Cypress is part of the executive line of homes that you're going to find at their communities. And with the Cypress, you're going to get 3 bedrooms plus a den, 2 baths, over 2,200 square foot, plus the 2-car garage. Let's run inside and take a look at this beautiful floor plan. So as you come inside the Cypress, you have this beautiful entryway here, and to the left is your laundry space along with your entry to the 2-car garage. You also do have a linen closet in the laundry as well. Now right off of the entryway, you have 2 guest bedrooms. Here's guest bedroom number 1. And right in between both bedrooms is the guest bath. And you have a full shower there, the commode and singular sink. And then we have guest bedroom number 2. Now, one of the nice parts about this area of the home is there is a pocket door right here, so you can close this off for privacy to both guest bedrooms. Now, coming across the home, this is your den, or could be your 4th bedroom. If you notice in the corner, you do have a closet, so you could use this as a bedroom, but in this model, it is featured as an office space. Now, right off of the office is where we move into the great room area of the home, the kitchen, and the dining space. So you have your dedicated dining spot right here. And then just off of that is your open kitchen with island overlooking your great room space. You've got the wall oven and microwave. That's your pantry there. And this all overlooks the main areas of your home. So it's a really nice, entertaining floor plan. Now, last but not least, on the interior, we have your owner's suite tucked away here towards the back of the home. So it's a really nice size room. That is a king size bed there for perspective. We have 2 closets, and both of them are going to be your walk-in style. And then last but not least, you have the owner's bath with the split sinks, the tub in the corner, the standalone shower, your water closet, and linen closet. Now, last but not least, with the Cypress is going to be the exterior living. So you have a nice size lanai under truss. So plenty of room to sit and dine and relax. With this home, you see an example of a pool attached and how your lanai space would be with an added pool. All right, folks, so if you are interested in the Cypress floor plan, you can find us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.